Welcome back. In this session, we'll cover the Quadra tool, Remeshing, Retopology and various sculpting tool. Let's start by examining the Quadra tool. The Quadra tool is primarily used to create a retopology. This is a manual method of building a retopology to meet a production standards. To begin, let's import the scanned mesh into Maya. Here we have a scan mesh that was sculpted in ZBrush. Before starting the retopology, we need to make the scan live. Once the mesh is live, select the Quadra tool to start the retopology, the scan. To create a new topology, simply place 4 dots. Hold the shift key and click in the center. You will see a new blue highlighted mesh appears. If you need to delete any dots, click clear dots and they will be removed. Creating a new topology requires 4 points, but you can also place 2 points and click in the middle to continue generating a new chords. You can adjust the position of vertex and edges by moving them manually. To extrude edges, hold tab and control while highlighted the edge. To insert new edge, press Ctrl and click on the specific edge. You can also align edge by holding a shift and using the relax function to smooth them. If needed, you can delete a particular edge or face by holding shift and Ctrl together. Next, let's look at remeshing and retopology. These tools create a new topology with the click of a button. Here we have a mesh created with a boolean that doesn't have a clean topology. By applying the remesh tool, it generates a triangular mesh. To create a quad mesh, try using the retopology tool. In the option box, select keep original and click apply. In second, you will have a quad mesh. However, the edges may be smooth. To preserve the hardened edges, select preserve hardened edges in the option and apply. This will produce a result with hardened edges along with the proper quad topology. Now let's look at some of the sculpting tools. Start by creating a sphere. Smoothing the mesh and subdividing into 3 times to achieve a denser mesh. In the sculpting shelf, choose a sculpting brush to begin shaping the mesh. Similar to how you would in ZBrush or Mudbugs, using a vacuum pen helps control the pressure for precise strokes. To increase brush size, hold B key and drag or double click on the brush tool settings to adjust the brush size and strength. The smooth tool will help refine details. Its shortcut is shift key, which turn any brush into a smooth brush. The relax tool will relax the mesh geometry. You can see this effect in wireframe mode. The grab tool allows you to move a vertex across the surface. While the pinch tool tighten a stroke or details. The flatten tool helps flatten surfaces. These are the most commonly used sculpting tools. Other tools are used as needed. This concludes our session on the Quadra tool, Remesh, Retopology and sculpting tools. I hope this session has provided a fundamental understanding of these tools. Thank you everyone.